This video is filmed with pork fat over the lens. What a donkey.
Man, it's blowing a gale out there. Only one thing to do. Make some sausages. That puts a smile on everybody's face. Well, hello there my dear friends, and welcome back to another episode of Pimp My Sausage. Sounds a bit dodgy. So what we're going to be doing today then, my last video I made those beef sausages. They were very, very good. Like I explained in the video, it was a very old-fashioned recipe. Very heavy on the rusk, or bread, whatever you want to call it. So, I thought, shall I leave them as they are? Or shall we just go back to the drawing board and sort them out? So, that is what we are going to do. Just move that light. It's messing with my mind, man. So what we need to do then, it's really blowing a gale out there, is basically skin these bad boys. Very, very simple. Used to do this a lot in the 80s. People would want some sausage meat, flavoured or whatever. You had none made. You say, oh, shall I skin you some sausages? And that is what we used to do. That's how easy it is. It's just a bit of a laborious task, but really doesn't take very long. So I'll crack on with these bad boys, and then by the magic of camera there will be a pile of beef sausage meat. Good here, isn't it? Look at the light reflecting off my magic knife. I've got to get out more. Okay then, there is our sausages completely skinned. First thing I'm going to do is just take a measurement. See what we got. Put that on there. Tear it. I imagine 2 pound odd, maybe 3. So yeah, we got just under 3 pound of sausage meat there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a pound of pork to this. Now pork and beef sausages, believe it or not, were one of the most common sausages in England. When I started in the trade, it was one of the biggest sellers, pork and beef. Absolutely nuts. Don't know why. One, I suppose they taste good, but yeah, really old school. So I don't need no fat, because I've got fat there that were in those beef ones. And I've got plenty of bread, plenty of rusk. So basically, just need a pound of this. Oh, look at that, 1.1. I used to be good. Right, I'm going to put that through the mincer and add it to this beef.
So the reason we can do this then is those sausages, those original beef sausages, haven't been cooked. So we can split them open. I mean, they're only a day old. Add some pork to them. And yeah, Robert, your mother's brother. So I'm going to put another ounce of my normal seasoning on there, just to lift it up a bit. There was nothing wrong with that seasoning. It's just, you know, I've just added another pound of meat, so I have to balance it out. And I know instinctively this is going to turn out absolutely stunning. So as I'm mixing this in, I can actually feel now that this sausage meat has got a bit of integrity. Obviously, I know I keep saying it was rusk heavy, but now adding that pound of pork, it's absolutely perfect.
So I always find when making videos that it's easier if you put your microphone on. Man, I am totally losing the plot. Some people will say losing. Maybe I have. Anywho, that is looking pretty groovy if you ask me. Let's get a nice bind on it. Can I smell? Yeah, it smells amazing, and that is looking good. It's looking real good. Ah, my b-boy days. Right, it's got a good bind on that, I know. Look at that. Is that sticky? Sticky as a sticky thing on glue. Right, let's pipe them. Let's load this bad boy up. Lock and load. Get our skins on. I know you guys and girls have seen this so many times. You must be bored of it. Find the end. Put a drop of water in it. Get it on. Reminds me of my youth. Gently, gently, gently. Tie off the end. Right. Let's do this now. Let's sort these bad boys out. Awesome. Right. Just give them a little fettle. Just go through them. Also feeling if they're slightly overstuffed. There's a bit of understuff in there. You can manoeuvre it down. And there, that's where his skin got caught on. So look, we're just pushing it through. Sometimes get a tangle. So what we're looking for is a real clear run for tying. Looks good enough to me. So we make 1, 2, and 3, pretty much all the same size. Still a bit tight in there. Round through. Now we can just work these now as we tie them. So pulling our link through, making a double sausage, pulling that one over the top. Going to make some longish ones here. That will actually fit on a bun. Tie that end off to finish that sausage. Could be quite fiddly. There you go. Resurrected, baby. So we just let those little beauties sit there and gently dry and bloom. It's like deja vu, isn't it? And the skin will tighten around the meat. And then we can get these in the pan. They're going to be amazing. Just look at them. How good do they look? My beef sausages remix. Now, there really wasn't nothing wrong with those beef sausage. It's just an old-fashioned recipe, so it was quite heavy on the rusk. But apart from that, they were brilliant. Now, like I said, I could have left them as they are, but I thought, no, I'll pimp them up, remix them, and this is what we're left with. And these are looking pretty groovy. Pork and beef as well. What an absolute treat. Oh, let's have a go on it. Look at that. Takes me back to my youth, pork and beef sausages. They really have got such a deeper flavour than just pork. That beef really, really works with it. It's more rounded, full flavour, Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just have a look. Hey, can you see that? Give it a bit of that. You know, it's law over here. I'll tell you what though, what a donkey. I cannot believe I filmed this with pork fat smeared over the lens. Jesus, I'm losing it. It's all this sausage. Sends a man mad, I tells you. This is dangerous. I could just keep eating this. It's just not good. Well, it is good, but you know what I mean. It's a beautiful colour inside. Right, last one. Maybe. Can't stop eating them. They're just wonderful. Right. If you've liked what you've seen here today on the SRP, even with the greasy camera, please click subscribe when my face comes up down here. Also, you know the drill. Check me out on my social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at the Scott Reed Project. Like it, share it with all your friends. Also, please check out my Patreon page if you want to help the channel along. But until next time, I'm feeling a bit white puddingy, so maybe it'll be a white pudding video. Oh God, these have got to go. All the best, my friends. Take care. Old school pork and beefler.